What's good, people? Recently, I cruised on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady and had an amazing time. There's a link to my full review in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now let's talk about the room. We booked a seriously sweet suite, and what's great is that you get a lot of amenities. For example, sparkling and still water refilled every day or on demand whenever you need it. The attention to detail here is awesome. Look at this plate that shows the astrological signs. This is a really nice touch. The TV, of course, is huge, and it's controlled by this tablet over here. There's an entertainment tab where you can select movies and shows. Then you have a room control tab where you can control the ambiance and the lighting of the room. And there's a services tab where you can request towels and things like that.
The room also comes with a throw, which is pretty awesome in case you want to be outside and you get a little chilly. It's really cool to have that. And here is, in my opinion, the star of the show. This is the bar and entertainment center. And what's great about the bar is that it comes with a record player and a Bluetooth speaker so that you don't have to bring your own. That's really cool. Obviously, you get a bunch of records, but if there's something here that you may not like or something that you may want to switch out because you've heard it enough, you just have to speak to your Rockstar agent and have that changed. What's also good here is that the first round of drinks at the bar is built into the price of the room. So if you drink it all, you won't be charged anything extra. However, if you do ask for additional bottles or additional beer or wine, you will get charged. Here we have some vodka, some wine, some ginger beer, some gin, some more vodka, and down here in the mini fridge, you have some soda, some beer, more wine, some energy drinks. You know you may need some energy drinks to power through any rough mornings you may have. Here's the other view of the room. It's pretty massive considering you're on a cruise ship, right? Here is the closet. Plenty of closet space for everyone. You do have your life vests here, so take note of that. Hopefully you won't need them. And here on this other side, you do have more shelving, more drawers if you want to put stuff away. You have towels and you're safe. One thing that I really enjoyed about the room design-wise is that there is a really convenient place to put your luggage after you've unpacked. Usually when you're in a hotel room, your luggage is usually out and in the way. But here, right underneath the bed, there's this little storage area. You have all this empty room down here so that you can fit your luggage down here, which is just, again, an amazing use of space. And here on the other side of the bed, you have an extra set of drawers, so plenty of space to unpack and just spread out. Now let's go check out the balcony. The balcony is an amazing place to just chill and hang out. A ton of space and nice furniture to just take it all in, take those views in. And here is the hammock. And oh my God, this is just an amazing touch, because could you imagine just sitting on the hammock, listening to the ocean, watching the sunset? I mean, wow. Can't wait to do that. Now let's go back into the room and let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is equally as impressive. It is huge. Look how massive this is. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to upgrade to the suites, because of how big the bathrooms are. And there's so much space in here. You can have two people showering at the same time, no issues. And the toiletries are really nice. They smell good. You got your handle here, or you can use the rain shower to just rinse yourself off. The toilet is over here, and I do love that it has a sliding door so you can have some more privacy. The sink is also very big, with plenty of space to wash your hands, wash your face. And this nice little touch, look at this porthole right in the shower, and you have this ability to look out into the room and into the sea. And people on the other side are able to look inside the shower, which is also nice and interesting. While you wait to board the ship, you'll have access to a lounge with snacks and drinks.
You also get your own Rockstar agent. Think of them as a concierge of sorts. Having a Rockstar agent is such a cool perk to have. They can also arrange special requests and surprises. They aren't miracle workers, but it sure seems like it. Our agent was amazing. He surprised us with an exclusive tour of the ship's control bridge. This is where the captain and crew control everything on board. We were taught so many cool things about the ship, including how efficient and fast it is. It really is incredible. They monitor everything up here, from the engine to fire alarms to even radar and weather maps. This experience was not available to everyone. In fact, we were told not to tell people about the meetup location on the ship, so we felt privileged and honored to be a part of the crew, even if it was only for 15 minutes. I really recommend booking a suite just to have access to a Rockstar agent who will be looking out for you and trying to make your cruise memorable. You also get access to Richard's Rooftop, which is only open to guests who are booked into suites. This place was perfect for getting away from crowds. It has 2 jacuzzis, a bar, plenty of seating, and best of all, there was free bubbly when we were on board from 5 to 7 every day. Well, that's all. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.